a striking redhead style made from 100% luxurious virgin Remy human hair that ensures lasting shiny, silky hair with a long lifespan. Hailey has a perfected blend of reds to get the deep auburn and copper look. This hair can be styled with heat tools such as flat irons, curling irons and blow dries, just like your own hair. Hailey has a lace front cap made from superior French lace, which provides a realistic hairline with small hand-tied knots that replicate your own hair growth. This hair has a free parting, enabling you to part the hair any way you like. The front lace measures from ear to ear at 13 inches and 5 inches from front to back. The elastic neck cap in the back feels extremely soft and is superbly comfortable with a secure fit and adjustable strap and combs. The hair density is 150% density, giving fuller and more volumized hair than the average 130% density. Be bold with the show-stopping redhead Hailey and you will stand out from the crowd.